relevance is the competitive I mean, it's the thing you have to nail or you're kind of dead in the water from a content marketing perspective. But I wanted to go back to something else you mentioned, which was related to the risk aversion factor. And you said something really important, I think, about having a sort of challenger or challenging point of view, being willing to plant a flag, and sort of a lot of B2B, especially enterprises, being really nervous about doing that. And so you end up with this whitewashed kind of we drive digital transformation language instead of really compelling thought leadership or really compelling content. So do you have some approaches or a framework that you use when you're training people or helping marketers develop a here's what a distinctive point of view looks like? It's not the same as having a mission statement. That's not the same as a point of view. It's related, but this is a specific stance. How do you help someone learn how to do that?
Well, that's in everything. It depends. But some of it depends on how established is the company that I'm working with and how tight are their brand guidelines? Where's the leeway? Or are they in the middle of a reorg? Like you mentioned the word digital transformation. I'm working with a client right now whose customers are those involved in digital transformation. So they're open to bigger ideas and more expansive stuff. But quite often it goes back to the origin story. What's the company in business for anyway? What big spark happened that a lot of my clients are tech, which means a lot of them are not legacy companies that have been around for 100 years and whatever. And so there was some spark that happened that said, okay, we've got a better mousetrap for this thing than anything we've seen anywhere else. And sometimes it comes from customers. And when you can prove, hey, our customers are really loving this thing, and here's why, then it can help you get grounding for an approval, for an enthusiasm, for telling a story based on a point of view that resonates with customers. And so a lot of times it comes right out of the customer interviews that I do. And I say, a number of people said these things. What story can we build around that? Which makes our POV staying true to our company, but focused on our customers, which is what a lot of people are challenged to do. But it also helps. I've been really lucky that I've had executive sponsors on these projects that have helped push through getting us allowed to do some of these things. Because, like I said, legal is the kiss of death. So it's like they don't want to take a chance on anything that could come back to haunt them. And so it's choosing your battles wisely, I think. But you're going to find more success if you base it in things your customers care about. The only way to find that out is talk to them. I mean, it just is.